Good block.
Adam, aren't you gonna punch Adam?
Champion winner.
Adam, you're supposed to be punching.
Come here,
Champion wins.
Hulk smash. We need to teach Adam how to hit. Hang on, Adam can't see. Pause. Time out, Aaron. Time out, Aaron. Adam can't. Okay. Aaron. Oh, he's done. Oh, he's up. He's up.